In this video, I want to show you how to add current date to data in ArcGIS. This is very important when you are carrying out an analysis or attributing data that has to do with time, and you want to use date to differentiate the time you collected one data from another. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add current date to your data in ArcGIS. So in ArcGIS, for example, I have this data set. Let's assume I collected this data today and I want to give today's date to this data. So how do I do that? So to do that, come to the layer, right click and open the attributes table. The first thing we are going to do is to add the field where we want to input the dates. So I will come to table options and click on add field. Then the field, let me call it dates, and then the type, click here and select dates. Click on OK. You can see that the field called date has been added. Now to add the current date on this very column, you can, if you look here, you can see my current date is 27th March 2026. Now to add this date to this very field, right click on the top and click on field calculator. Click on yes. Then here select dates, and since we want to add the current date, select this option called now. Double click it and it will be entered into this very box. Then click on OK. So when you click on OK, depending on the number of your data sets, it will calculate it. You can see it has inputted the current date on this field for me, such that I will know at a glance the date this data was captured or collected. So you can see that it has entered the date 27th March 2026 into this field. So this is how to add the current date to your data in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.